Go, dog, go?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Open the book and read it to Daddy. Go ahead. Turn the page.
The dogs. The little dogs. The black dogs and the little dogs. White and black dogs. And dogs and out dogs and blue dogs and in the pool, in the water, in the tree. A video.
Want to see it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Say hi to the camera.
Hi to Grandma.
Say, today is my second birthday.
Second birthday.
And what are we going to sing later?
Happy birthday to Ava.
Woohoo! Can you, wait, one more thing. Can you, no, don't say cheese. Can you make a muscle? Okay! Yay, Ava!
Oh,
Okay, we're going to watch it.